Today's project is tissue paper flowers. For this project, you will need a pair of scissors, some tissue paper cut into squares. These are about 4 by 4 or 5 by 5 inches. Some pipe cleaners, and optional is some beads. So you're going to take about 4 or 5 squares of tissue paper. I'm going to take 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Stack them neatly on top of each other. And you're going to start with one edge, one side, and you're going to fold it up about 1/2 inch to 1 inch and crease it. Flip it over, fold it again, crease it, and keep going until you get to the other side. Okay. So it looks like that. You're going to pinch it in the middle and choose a pipe cleaner for a stem. You're going to put your pipe cleaner on it like this, fold it over the center, and then twist it. And now you're going to separate the layers of tissue paper because these are the petals of your flower. So my first layer is the blue tissue paper, and gently pull it towards the center of your flower. So this is the center here. Gently move it towards the center. Next one. And just keep going. And this can rip very easily, so just go slowly and do it gently. And here's my last petal. Oh, actually I have got 2 more. Yeah. So that's 1/2 of my flower, then do the other side. Okay, so you have all your petals on your flower. And if you have some beads, you can put some beads on the stem. It makes it look extra special, so I'm going to do a few beads. And you can make an entire bouquet of flowers, like all different color tissue paper, different color stems, and different kinds of beads. Like a star-shaped bead. Try that. Yeah. Star. I have some wooden beads too. Okay, so there are all kinds of different looks you can create for this. And if you're going to do beads, make sure you just kind of fold the very bottom of your pipe cleaner just so the beads don't come out. So I just folded it a little bit there. And that is a tissue paper flower.